Welcome back, Crammers, to question 25. Pasha invests $50,000 into a savings account for 4 years. He gets 1.3% per year compound interest. Find out how much money Pasha will have at the end of the 4 years, giving your answer correct to the nearest dollar. Now, we know that the formula for compound interest is A is equal to P into 1 plus R over 100 to the power of NT. A is the total amount. P is the principal amount, or the initial amount we invest. Pasha invests 50,000 into 1 plus R is the interest rate, which he gets 1.3% over 100. And N is the number of times he invests per year. It says here only invests once per year. And T is the number of years, which is 4 years. So we can actually simplify this to A is equal to 50,000 into 1 plus 1.3 over 100 is 1.013. And 1 times 4 is simply 4. We can put this into a calculator to find our answer, which is 50,000 times 1.013 to the power of 4. That gives us 52651. 52651.1, and correct to the nearest dollar. 1, 2, 3, 4, we round down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we round up. And to the nearest dollar, the value after it is 1, so that means we round down. So that means our final amount is $52,651. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.